ಬರೀ ಇವತ್ತು ಏಕತ್ಸ
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಾರಣ ಹೋಗಿದೆ
ಇಬ್ರು ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತಾನ ನಾಳೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಎವ್ರಿಡೇ.
ಹೌದಾ
ಮನೇಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ರೀ. ಮನೇಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವಳು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾಳೆ. ನಾವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಅವರು
Hello. Hello. Robbie is joined. Robbie, can you hear us?
ನಾವು ಮೊದಲೇ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
Robbie?
ನಾನು ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ.
Robbie? Robbie?
ಬರ್ತದಾರಾ?
He had joined. I don't know.
Well, I think he will join again. Mentorship experts.
Robbie, hi.
Hello.
Yeah, Robbie.
Hello. Hello.
Robbie, yeah, hi.
Yeah.
We can hear you.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine, thank you.
So I'm just sharing the template, sir.
Yes, please. And switch off the video.
All right. So I'm just going to templates and just show you the revised templates. Just opening the email received last night for the changes. Sorry. Okay, so this was the last feedback and this is now the template. So this is how it looks on the desktop. This is how it looks on the mobile. So SEBI approved mnemonic is not readable, so we have made it bigger, but we have to improve the quality right now. So we are just working on that. You have to either make the fonts thicker or bigger or fill the box. So we have made it bigger and thicker, but we have to just make it more high definition. Use the same mnemonic everywhere applicable. So we have applied it on the footer as well, same one. Center align it to Finmo-Lite logo on the top brand. So we have now center aligned it.
Yeah.
Use the same font for headline as per video shared with you. So the font for the headline, we are using the Open Sans font. So in the video, I think the font is, I think it is Montserrat Round or Arial Round. So
Okay.
just want to confirm that which font it is, because MailChimp has very limited fonts in its library.
Okay.
Yes, so the font right now currently we are using is Open Sans, but we can change it from here. So the font options are very few, but I think the most which I felt the closest which resembles your current branding was Open Sans. But if you want, you can try some other font which is more rounded like your video. So there is Lucida, which is also very close to your video font, and there is Source Sans Pro. So I can try, you can try this one. This is Source Sans Pro. This
Okay.
is Open Sans, and this is Lucida.
I would
All of
suggest
the
the closest.
this one Source Sans
Yeah. Mohan?
Yeah.
or Open Sans.
Open
Uh,
sense looks good. Yeah.
Yeah, my observation too, my feedback too. Open Sans would be good.
Open Sans. So
Yeah.
here we are trying to use the same font in throughout the template.
Yeah.
In the footer, because you know the footer has to be fine print, so we have used 10 pixel size. But everywhere else we have used 16 pixel. But when it shows in your mobile, it becomes just 2 pixels shorter. So you see here now in the mobile, the design becomes fluid, and this becomes 16 pixel. Everything becomes 14 pixel. Sorry, this will be 14 pixel, and in your footer,
Yeah.
this is how it comes. So overall, it is looking aesthetically pleasing now, and
Yeah.
we have to improve the quality of the mnemonic. Apart from that, I think that overall the setting in mobile is looking very professional. But overall, centrally align it. This we have done. Then change from the green color to gray, as gray colored font looks classy. Justify the text in terms of alignment. So we have now made it gray color. Now the font you can see over here the body font, and justification that we have not done, but if you want we can justify the text. That's not a problem, because right now in mobile it just breaks up little bit. Only problem with justification is that sometimes when we justify it in the mobile, some things become long, some things let me just show you in mobile how it looks. Yeah, you see now the spacing comes when we justify it. That's why I didn't do it. So this looks even more jumbled actually. So to avoid this problem, I think I suggest just keep it like normal left aligned. Now I'll show you how it looks in mobile.
Okay.
Now it actually the words are big, like the portfolio's word is little big, so it is coming in the next line. But if you want another solution, what I suggest is that in the style, we can just give the body font 1 pixel less. So this is, we have a different style sheet for mobile. So body font, we can make it 14, and then I can show you how it looks in mobile. Now it looks little bit better.
Okay.
So this point was also taken care of.
Okay.
The other aspect was the title above each of the
Yeah.
video screenshot needs to be centrally aligned. So we have done that.
Okay.
All of them are centrally aligned.
Yes.
Then presently the copyright details near Finmolite logo in the bottom reads as 2020 Welt Brudi. This needs to be changed to 2020 Finmo India. So this we have implemented over here. So this has now become 2020 Finmo India.
Okay.
And apart from that, the last point was lastly the black band in the bottom where the SEBI approved mnemonic and logo and others are placed needs to be made much smaller. So we have made it more small so that it is looking more refined and it is looking sharper now. But this is actually not pure black. Actually, this color is we had to change. We had to take some liberty changing the color because the logo was not looking good when we use pure black. Like if we do pure black, then the logo stands out separately. So for that, because the logo background is slightly on the very dark shade of green, or you can say the peacock green or the dark green color. So we just, but it is very similar to black, but it's a quite a dark shade. So we just made the footer color like this. And overall now we have from our end, we have uh, done the design part and the content part. We have to do final inbox testing and we have to just fix the mnemonic quality and rest I think more or less it is done. The links and all we have to do the testing yet. But apart from that, so far we have already put all the links accordingly. Every link is there and links of the app store, as you can see, everything is properly linked to its particular thing, and the logo is properly linked. to everything to your website, and preference unsubscribe is working. So overall, we have done the linking and all the work is done from our end. But I just you can just tell us anything else you want to do, so that we will implement those final changes and then start our process of testing.
Mr. Ravi Mohan here. This hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Mohanji.
Can we change the font in the mnemonic inside that? It might be little better if we change that SEBI approved
Yes.
investment advisor. The font, if we change, probably it might the problem could be over.
Yes, we can, sir. We can. Actually, right now, this is what we have used. So what we will do is we will just we also have to refine the quality. So what I
Okay,
will do
you
is
carry on and make it changes. That's all. I don't think there is any other change. We can go ahead and finalize, and we can get to that demo.
okay. So any preference for the font? I can maybe show you some font options, because the mnemonic is an image, so we have 100% flexibility in that. Whatever like you want to, whatever kind of font you want to use, we can do it. We can, if you want like something like which stands out like a typewriter font, because it's like this is like it's like a mark or something. We can use that kind of a font, or you want a very thin font. I don't know what is your preference.
No, it can be same that Open Sans or something with a thick font. Anything that's a thick one, thick font
Okay,
rounded.
all right. All right, so this one we can use, let's say there are some options. There is Arial rounded like
And
this.
instead of green, you can use black also, black or
Okay, black.
gray.
Okay. So if you want, we can show you the preview now and you can decide. This is how it is right now. It will look somewhat like this. If you want, we can center align it also like this.
Yeah, this
What
looks
do you
much better.
Yeah.
what do you think, sir?
Looks much better.
Okay. So we will work on this now, and we will just improve the quality of mnemonic, check from our end, do the inbox testing. The social media links we have added Twitter, Facebook, and I wanted to show you some options in the social media module. We have option of making them bigger like this. I don't know if you prefer like this or smaller like this. And we can also,
Bigger
if you
is
want, bigger is better, na?
right.
Okay. And also in the colors, there is gray option, there is a white option, simple plain white, and black and colored.
Colored.
Colored is okay.
Colored is good.
Okay, sir. So I will just send you the final test, and I'm just saving it right now. Apart from that, sir, what is now the next step? You will send the campaign yourself, or do you want us to be involved in the process?
You can just show us the demo how to use this template.
Okay, okay, okay. So I will just make a small demo. So when I will transfer the template to your account, you will see it in your campaign, and then all email templates, you will see this at the top. Just click on the arrow and click create campaign. And now just 4 simple steps. It will ask you, you can just name it, like let's say demo campaign. And you can choose the recipient. So here I will send it to only a limited segment of, let's say I put a condition, email address contains
Wealth Vriddhi, all our email IDs are on Wealth Vriddhi domain.
okay, so I will just add wealth and I'll update the recipient count and save this. Personalize the to field, always very important, save it. So once this is the first step to choose. In your case, you will just select the audience name and no need to add any segment right now because you will be sending to everyone. It is saving right now. Name. So you see it has automatically picked up 3 recipients.
So now all of us are another call for the email template.
So here you can just, in the next step, you will just add the from name and the from email address. In the subject, you will have a subject line, so it can be, you can say,
explore the new way to something, new way to grow your money. If you add money and all, will it go to spam?
you know, but it should be avoided, but it's fine. Money or saving or things like or free, you know, words like something like that, they are generally to be avoided. You can add wealth or something, you know, it will prefer, you know, because first few campaigns, if you have an old account and you are using it for many times, so then it's fine. But in the edit design, just we need to ensure that the footer is as per the compliance. So we will just ensure that in the preferences, the links. All this will be added to your template, but you will just need to do the settings, you know, the to, from, etc. That's it.
And Mr. Ravi, this template is made separately on your system coded, or did you use the same any of the template making machinery of the Chimpmail?
Sir, I used the template making the designer of the MailChimp only, but we had to do some level of customization. So the good thing is that because it is designed in the MailChimp editor, you can edit the template yourself. If there is in future, you want to use the same template to do another variation, you can just quickly click on the pencil icon and change the text here. If you want to add a new video, you can just replace the video and change the heading here. You can change the links easily. Everything is draggable and droppable. If you want to change the position, you can just simply drag it You can simply,
Okay.
So overall, we have tried to make it using the MailChimp design editor so that you can comfortably reuse it in future.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So
Pretty robust.
then once all this is done, then you can just press the send button and the campaign will go. So I will transfer once, we do the final testing. I will get it approved from you, sir, and then we will transfer it to your account.
Okay.
Yeah. So I have got the access for the account.
Okay.
So I will be able to transfer the content over here and I'll put it in email templates. So, sir, please tell me anything else.
Great, sir. I think that is once you do the final thing, we will go through, and we have Sumanji on the call, who is our technology head. So probably he would have got an idea. So in case we require anything, call you once after putting you transfer this codes to our account.
All right. No
If
problem.
at all, if I need any support, I will keep in touch with you, or so Srisha will be in touch with you, sir.
All right, sir. All right.
No, this thing, any additional effort will be additional, attract additional payment also. I believe in that.
No problem.
Nothing is free. We are all finance people, so we always believe that you should get a good work and you should pay also.
No problem. No, definitely. We want to work long term. So, sir, हमारा भी ये होता है. We don't nickel and dime for every small thing. And I also understand end of the day results are important. So we will do whatever is in our this thing to get the best results. No problem, sir.
Yeah. So this name change and all these things is common, right? I can go to the variable thing, whichever I want to change, that can be changed.
Yes.
Just upload after I need to upload, right?
Yes, correct. So the name change you can easily do from your audience over here in the audience settings. Once you click on view contacts, where all your database is uploaded, just go to settings and just check that how is the labeling done in your audience. So over here in settings, when you click on audience fields, so for example, here the first name is F name and the last name is L name. Company is company, phone is phone. So if you want to use the first name only, then you can just use F name in your variable name and automatically it will pick up the first name. So you can change the names and labeling from your audience settings. And
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
so
yeah. That's fine. Yeah.
That can be done. So, all right.
Great. Sumanji, anything is there, sir? Anything you want to ask? Is it fine?
No, I think I understood. Yeah.
We need to explore this particular, settings and other things and see that. Anyway, since the template will be there, the editor we can use and make small changes if you have to make it.
Definitely.
And for anything else, Ravi is available on WhatsApp. If I say hi, at least 3 different messages will come.
No problem. One final thing is that just before sending, actually, because I am an author, I don't have the permission to do this. Just go to settings and click on domains and just make sure that the domain which you will use to send, if it is Finmo India, just add this domain and authenticate it. So very simple process. You click on verify email domain and add your email ID from which you will be sending. And when you click on the send verification, it will verify your email and domain.
Okay. Great.
So I think let's go ahead. Monday is Ganesh Chaturthi. Monday is a lucky day. You should send your campaign on Ganesh Chaturthi.
Ganesh Chaturthi is over, sir, in India, in this side of the India.
Okay.
We already started, but the email we could not start. We only send directly from our mail IDs to clients.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this we will anyway start off. We will see if you are able to do it today sometime. We will send it today itself.
All right, no problem.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, basic target was I was thinking to send it by 5:30, 6 o'clock sunset time, so
Okay.
that people start seeing on Sunday, Saturday only. They see that because all our IDs are personal IDs. We don't send
Okay.
it to official IDs.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, no problem.
Fine, fine, fine. Thanks,
Perfect.
Mr. Robin. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Yeah.